Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Surface Page. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI powered coding with something that's changing the game. It's OpenAI Codex. So if you are ever dreamed of building things with code but felt tired by complex syntaxes, or if you are an experienced developer tooling to push to your productivity, Codex might be your new best friend. So, what is the OpenAI Codex? So, what exactly the Codex? It simply terms it's a powerful language model developed by the OpenAI, the same folks behind the GPT-3 and the DALG-A. It's trained on a vast amount of open source code, enabling it to understand and generate code in various programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, C Sharp, and many more. The cool part, you can interact with Codex using natural language in your own language. Like you can write in plain English or Hindi or any other languages. So, what is the Codex? OpenAI Codex. So, yeah, you can check that is available on the ChatGPT website. So simply, you can download the app and simply log in with your email, and this also work free without any trial or adding any card without any payment. So just click on this download the app uh, and check the things in and their features. So I have already downloaded this codex. So I just open it. So I already given some command. Like I have created this shopping website with just only by the natural language commands. So yeah, just I'm giving the command, and this will create all the websites in ASP.NET Core with your requirement, and this everything this can run step by step and providing you their steps also what currently this doing. So like I have not written any single line of code to develop this application. You can check this contain multiple admin sites like admin sections like controller, dashboards, order, and like different types of controllers like views, account card, and the catalog home set, like everything created by uh, this codex app. So if you check it like my history, so this created multiple pages, and the I send it like a instruction to do the things, then it will act according to that command, like send me new script that I run into my SSMS. Like it's also creating the script also. So like I can run directly into my SSMS. So uh, you can check the different things like in last I have sent it the command to Codex to create a category filter page. So you can check this application. Like I have run this application now. It's fully built by the Codex. No any single line of code during development of this shopping website. So it's just a demo website I have created using this Codex. It's just loading the application. Yes, everything's created by this Codex. You can check like this contain. So in dash command, I have send it the command to create a category with multiple filters with one of the sample website. So this created a uh, multiple filters, and all the things is working. You can check currently this like three products being here. This all come from the database. Just click on this. It's working fine. and this no any static thing. So this just driven from the database. You can check here. This showing the filters. Click on the products. So this showing the product details also. So like if in last this showing this version uses the this edit the category filter here, but like and, if the things is need to be managed by admin panel also, so this showing also the suggestions for the next step. Like this version use the filter data your current schema already support. If you want event closure parity with that sample website, I can extra admin manage filters. So yes, you can like do this like is for manageable from the admin panel. Yes, I just written the things here, and now after this, you sending the command, this started thinking and step by step, this analyzing the things and modifying the projects according to your need. So, right, this start extending things. So, for new project, like this can work with multiple threads at a single time. Like this threads is currently running, so you can just add any more any more projects here. Like you can just choose from this any projects, so you can choose. Like I am just changing here, and this then this start the things here. So this threads is running, means this threads is not stop it. So you can just run the text here. You can just provide your command here, and this start working here also. Means they this codex can run multiple threads parallelly. No need to be left in shift. So that's all for today. Like this codex will be very helpful for your day to day development. So yeah, so that's it. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and also click on notification bell. And if you have any problem, please write in the comment box. I will reply you soon. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.